How long does it take for a professional to change a broken sprinkler? Let's find out.
So what are you doing, Todd?
I've just removed the grass around here so that I can put it back when I'm done.
And then why exactly are we replacing that sprinkler?
So it is not retracting as it should.
So boom.
So that's going to get hit by a lawnmower,
Exactly.
or car, or something. But it's just not working the way it should.
So I see you're kind of being gentle on this next pass over here, Todd.
Yes, right here you can feel the line.
What line? The flex line? Flex PVC?
Line right here.
Yeah, we definitely don't want to cut that. And so we see some other sprinkler videos online that say, oh, all you have to do is just twist it out and put it back in. However, this is the cheapest type of sprinkler that you could possibly buy. And we find that these things, the seals go bad on them so quickly that we love to replace them with a Hunter Pro spray. All right, Todd, so you're kind of like Bon Jovi at this point. You're halfway there.
Okay.
And then you just screwed onto the PVC flex line, which had a street elbow on there. And now, I like your positioning there, Todd, that you're getting that thing below the grass. So as you dig that out, Todd, right, you're making room so that that thing can stay straight. And then what are you doing? You're actually digging under the flex line itself?
Yeah, so that instead of it having to bend at a sharp angle, come back here and just take out some, like there's a rock here, so that would have kept it from doing that. Now,
nice.
Will flex like it's supposed to flex.
Oh, perfect.
Boom, we're right underneath.
And I bet you can use that rock again to set it too, right?
Yes. Take advantage of what is there.
Okay, then we'll just take some of this lovely Florida sand, pack it back in there. Set that thing straight so it's not on an angle, right?
Yep.
Looks like you need a little bit behind the sprinkler itself there. Getting good, yeah. Nice.
So that's another reason why you keep the temporary clean out on here, so you're not getting dirt in here while you're trying to work on it.
So we're gonna flush that out, just in case we got any sand in there. And Todd, it looks like it takes a professional about 3 minutes and 30 seconds to replace a sprinkler.
This is Todd from My Irrigation Guy. Thank you.
Have a great day.